Kalovatu and welcome to This is Urban Umus 101.
These days, most people are familiar with hangis, umus, lovos.
Imus in Hawaii, or even babacoa if you're Mexican, or earth oven for the palangi.
But today, we're doing an umu.
Newest style.
Okay, now New West style is basically a hole in the ground. You can dig one, or
Here's one we've prepared earlier. Once you've dug the hole, put down a layer of smaller rocks above the dirt. Then fire this up, burning away any yucky stuff you don't want getting into your food. Once that's died down,
you can start the real fire.
in Niue, you usually wait until the fire's going before you start putting on the rocks.
But here in beautiful South Auckland, we got a hack, which is we carefully stack our firewood, then put on all the rocks before we light the fire. Let's find out, eh?
Yes.
Let's fire it up. Once your fire's going and the rocks are heating up nicely,
Get the food ready. Let's go.
Come on.
Sometimes taro leaves aren't readily available, so they can be substituted with either silver beet or cabbage, like Māoris use in hangis.
Once you've prepped all your food to go into the umu, the rock should be hot enough.
Our rocks are glowing, so definitely time to ao the umu. That means take out the rocks and ready to put the umu down. When putting the food in order is quite important if you want everything to cook properly. Taros go in first at the bottom because they'll take longer to cook.
Then you stack the rest of your dishes accordingly.
Once all the food is in, start placing your hot rocks back in and around the food places where it's most likely to cook.
Once the rocks are all back in, you're ready to start covering the umu. In the islands, we use leaves like from the banana tree, but here you can use old duvets, newspapers. Make sure they're wet first though.
It is important to make sure you cover it completely to make sure no steam is escaping from the umu.
Once you're satisfied with everything is covered up properly, time to wait.
Waiting time depends on how hot your rocks are. Usually it takes 2 to 3 hours just to be safe.
Time's up, ready to bring up our food.
Look at that crisp there.
Pretty good.